Chapter 8 The Adjective Degrees of Comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison in English. They are positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Let us see all of them one by one. Positive degree. When we speak about only one person or thing, we use the positive degree. Examples: this house is big. In this sentence, only one noun, the house, is talked about. He is a tall student. Each sentence mentioned above talks about only one noun. Comparative degree. When we compare two persons or two things with each other, we use both the positive degree and comparative degree. Examples: this house is bigger than that one. Comparative degree. This house is not as big as that one. Positive degree. The term bigger is comparative version of the term as big as. Both these sentences convey the same meaning. He is more intelligent than this boy. Comparative. He is not as intelligent as this boy. Positive. Superlative degree. When we compare more than two persons or things with one another, we use all the 3 positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. Examples: this is the biggest house in this street. Superlative. This house is bigger than any other house in this street. Comparative. No other house in this street is as big as this one. Positive. The term biggest is the superlative version of the term big. All the 3 sentences mean the same meaning. Changing the degrees of comparison. The degrees of the adjectives can be changed in many ways. Rule 1. By adding er and est to the positive degree of the adjective. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Long, longer, longest. High, higher, highest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Young, younger, youngest. Rule 2. By adding r and st to the positive degree of the adjective ends in e. Positive, comparative, superlative. Fine, finer, finest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Safe, safer, safest. Wide, wider, widest. Rule 3. By doubling the last letter and adding er or est. Positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Rule 4. By dropping y and adding ier or iest. Positive, comparative, superlative. Costly, costlier, costliest. Dry, drier, driest. Noisy, noisier, noisiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Rule 5. By adding more or most to the word. Positive, comparative, superlative. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Honest, more honest, most honest. Careful, more careful, most careful. Rule 6. Some adjectives are compared irregularly. Their comparatives and superlatives are formed by using a new word. Positive, comparative, superlative. Many, more, most. Good, better, best. Bad, rose, roast. Little, less, least. Far, farther, farthest.